Money matters, it's important, but money can't buy happiness. We've all heard that. However, smart spending can bring you closer to your dreams. It can reduce stress. Less stress means more happiness. Think of it like this. Every dollar you spend is a vote for what's important to you. Are you voting for a life of debt and worry? Or are you investing in a future filled with joy and security? Remember, financial peace is a big part of overall happiness. When you control your money, you control your future. It's time to take charge. The first step to smart spending? Knowing where your money goes. Track every dollar. Use a notebook, an app, whatever works for you. Think about your spending categories. Housing, food, transportation are the big ones. Then come things like entertainment, clothing, and personal care. Once you see where your money goes, you can start making choices. Do your spending habits match your values? Are you spending money on things that truly matter? Now it's time to prioritize needs versus wants. You need a safe place to live, healthy food, and reliable transportation. Wants are different. A new phone every year, a want. Designer clothes, a want. These things are nice, but not essential. Look at Bill Gates, one of the richest men in the world. He's known for his simple watch and his love of cheeseburgers. Being smart with money means you can be generous and help others. Creating a budget is crucial. Stick to it. Avoid debt. It's like a weight around your neck holding you back from happiness. Did you know that making things yourself can save you money? Baking bread instead of buying it? Learning to sew and mending clothes? These skills bring joy and save you money? Think about your community. Can you swap skills with neighbors? Maybe someone can cut your hair, and you can help them with their garden. These small acts add up. They bring people together and build a sense of community. Plus, they help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Remember, financial freedom is about more than just dollar signs. It's about living a life you love.